been with Aruba now for 15 years, joined the Aruba Transport Authority 15 years ago. And from that point onwards, for me, there was always a dream and a goal to kind of gain that elusive direct scheduled air flight. And today, that dream actually became a reality. And I genuinely could not be prouder of Aruba and what we've achieved. I think we've already had a lot of thank yous, but again, I personally cannot thank the team of Ranella and Sanju from ATA, Barbara and Joanne from AAA, Tiso obviously from Europe, and of course the overarching support of Minister Odeber for believing in the UK, accepting this opportunity from British Airways. Their continued support and commitment in reaching a huge milestone has been unprecedented. I really, really hope this now allows Aruba to become a household name in the UK, and that obviously we bring much success and many passengers to the island, and that benefits everybody and all the hotels and all the partners involved. So thank you from the bottom of my heart for making this happen, and I just look forward to the next few weeks, months and years.